Hello children, welcome back to the online maths class at BMS School at home. Children, in the last class we learned the addition of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers with regrouping. In today's class we are going to see about addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. Okay? Now let us see some examples related to that. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Okay. So children, the steps for adding 4-digit numbers are similar to the steps for adding the 3-digit and 2-digit numbers. Okay. Now children, let us look at a few examples related to addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. So the first one, addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay children, addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, so the first problem, add 5065 and 4923. Okay, so children, what is the first step? Yes, you have to write the place value box. Okay, so these are 4-digit numbers. The 4-digit numbers have 4 values. They are ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay children, now the next step is you have to write the numbers one below the other as per their place values. Okay, so for the first number 5065, there are 5 ones, 6 tens, 0 hundred and 5000. Okay, so for the number 4923, there are 3 ones, 2 tens, 9 hundreds and 4000. Okay, so the next step, you have to add these two numbers. Okay, so while adding, first you have to add the digit in the ones place value. Okay children, so the ones place values are 5 plus 3. Okay, so 5 plus 3 gives us 8. Okay children, so write 8 in the ones place. The next step, you have to add the values in the tens place. Okay, that is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 gives us 8. Okay, now you have to write in the tens place. The next step, you have to add the values in the hundred place. Okay, so the hundred place values are 0 and 9. So the 0 plus 9 gives us 9. So you have to write the 9 to the hundred place. Okay, then the next step, you have to add the values in the thousand place, that is 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 gives us 9. So you have to write 9 to the thousand place. Okay, so the sum is 9988. You have to write the answer like this: 5065 plus 4923 is 9988. Okay children, now let's see one more example related to without regrouping. Add 1231 plus 4000 plus 2001. Okay, so all these three numbers are 4-digit numbers. Okay, so the 4-digit numbers have 4 values. They are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay children, now the next step, you have to write the numbers one below the other as per their place values. Okay, so for the first number 1231, how many ones are there? 1. And how many tens? 3 tens. And how many hundreds? 2 hundreds. And how many thousand? 1000. Okay, then next in the 4000, how many ones are there? 0 ones. And how many tens? 0 tens. And 0 hundred and 4000. Okay, and for the last number 2001, how many ones? Yes, 1 ones. How many tens? 0 tens, 0 hundred and 2000. Okay, now you have to add these three numbers. First you have to add the values in the ones place. The ones place values are 1 plus 0 plus 1. Okay, if you are adding any values to the 0, the answer is that value itself. Okay, so if you are adding any number to 0, you can get the values as the same number itself. Okay, so 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now write 2 in the ones place. Next you have to add the values in the tens place. The tens place values are 3 plus 0 plus 0. So the answer is 3. Okay, so if you are adding any number to the 0, the answer is that number itself. Okay children, then write 3 into the tens place. The next step, you have to add the values in the 100 place. Okay, so the 100 place values are 2 plus 0 plus 0. So the answer is 2. So you have to write 2 to the 100 place. Then the last step, you have to add the values in the 1000 place. The 1000 place values are 1 plus 4 plus 2, which gives us 7. Okay, so you have to write 7 to the 1000 place. Okay, so the sum is 7232. So you can write the answer like this: 1231 plus 4000 plus 2001 gives us 7232. Okay children, now children, the next topic is addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, so the first question, add 2070 and 1543 and 5419. Okay, so children, these three numbers are 4-digit numbers. The 4-digit numbers have 4 values. They are ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay. Now the next step, you have to write the numbers one below the other as per the place value. For the 2070, the place value of 0 is 1's place and 7 is in the 10's place and 0 is in the 100 place and 2 is in the 1000 place. Okay. And for the next number 1543, 3 is in the 1's place, 4 is in the 10's place, 5 is in the 100 place and 1 is in the 1000 place. Okay. And for the last number 5419, 9 is in the 1's place, 1 is in the 10's place and 4 is to the 100 place and 5 is to the 1000 place. Okay. Now the next step, you have to add these 3 numbers. Okay children. So you have to first add the values in the 1's place. Okay. So the 1's place values are 0 plus 3 plus 9. Okay. So here the bigger number is 9 and the smaller number is 3. So you have to keep 9 in mind and take 3 in your fingers. So 9 after 10, 11 and 12. Okay children. So this is 12 ones. Okay. So you have to write 2 to the 1's place and carry over 1 to the 10's place. Okay children. 9 plus 3 gives us 12. So you have to write 2 to the 1's place and remaining this 1 you have to carry over to the 10's place. Now the next step, you have to add the values in the 10's place. Okay. The 10's place values are 1 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1, which gives us 13. Okay. Which gives us 13 tens. Okay ma. So in the same way you have to write 3 to the 10's place and carry over 1 to the 100 place. Okay. The next step, you have to add the values in the 100 place. That is 1 plus 0 plus 5 plus 4. Okay. Which gives us 10. That means 10 hundreds. Okay. So you have to write 0 to the 100 place and you have to carry over 1 to the 1000 place. Okay children. The next step, you have to add the values from the 1000 place. Okay. So the 1000 place values are 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5, which gives us 9. Okay. So you have to write 9 to the 1000 place. So the sum is 9032. So you can write the answer like this: 2070 plus 1543 plus 5419 gives us 9032. Okay children. Now let's see one more example. Children, the next question is add 900 and 2765 and 666. Okay. So children, here the two numbers have 3-digit numbers and this number is 4-digit number. Okay. Which number is greater number, 3-digit or 4-digit? Yeah, 4-digit number is the greater number. Okay. So you have to write the place value box for these 4-digit numbers. Okay. So that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. So for the first number the ones place value is 0 and the tens place value is 0 and the 100 place value is 9. Okay. Now for the second number 2765, 5 is in the ones place, 6 is in the tens place, 7 is in the 100 place and 2 is in the thousand place. Okay. And for the last number 666, 6 is to the ones place, 6 is to the tens place and 6 is to the 100 place. Then you have to add these three numbers. Okay. So first step, you have to add the values in the ones place, that is 0 plus 5 plus 6, which gives us 11. Okay. That means 11 ones. You have to write 1 to the ones place and carry over this one to the tens place. Okay. The next step, you have to add the values to the tens place. Okay. That is 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 6, which gives us 13. Okay. So in the same way, you have to write 3 to the tens place and carry over this one to the 100 place. Okay. Now the next step, you have to add the values to the 100 place, that is 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6. Okay. Which gives us 23. So you have to write 3 to the 100 place and carry over this to the 1000 place. And the last step, you have to add the values to the 1000 place, that is 1 plus 2, which gives us 3. Now write this 3 to the 1000 place. Okay children. So the sum is 3331. So you have to write the answer like this: 900 plus 2765 plus 666, which gives us 3331. Okay. Okay children, in today's class we learned the addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. Okay children. So the steps for adding 4-digit numbers are similar to the steps for adding the 3-digit and 2-digit numbers. Okay. Okay children, this is the end of today's class. Bye and happy learning.